My name is Bill White. I'm the Director Emeritus of the Office of Fiscal Management in the Diocese of Brooklyn. I'm going to talk about the role and responsibilities of the Parish Finance Council. The Parish Finance Council is not just to exist on paper, but is, along with the Parish Pastoral Council, to assist the pastor in the temporal administration of the parish. Communication between the two councils is essential. The Finance Council is a consultative body. Its function is one of support and collaboration. The authority of the pastor, as set out in the Code of Canon Law, Canon 532, is to act on behalf of the parish. This role is not lessened by the Finance Council, but rather is enhanced by the gifts and talents that the members bring to this important work. In fulfilling its responsibilities, the Parish Finance Council can be guided by the principles given by the bishops of the United States in their pastoral letter, Stewardship, a disciple's response. In this letter, the bishop stated, "Sound business practice is fundamental of good stewardship, and stewardship as it relates to the church finances must include the stringent ethical, legal, and fiscal standards." It is important to note, while most of the following principles and guidelines are common, they can vary from diocese to diocese. The structure of the Finance Council. As stated in Canon Law, Canon 537, every pastor must assemble a Finance Council to assist him in directing and managing the fiscal affairs of the parish. According to the norms of the diocesan bishop, there are to be no fewer than 3 or more than 5 members, including the pastor as ex officio member. The council must have a recording secretary who will be responsible for keeping the minutes of the council's meetings. The minutes are to be preserved in the parish's permanent records. It is important to note, while most of the following principles and guidelines are common, they can vary from diocese to diocese. The membership of the Finance Council. The pastor should consider for membership those with the following experience or backgrounds in accounting, banking, law, management, and other business backgrounds. Members must be active members of the parish and can be male or female. In some cases, an individual from another parish may serve. Requests for this exception should be made in writing. Council members should have an understanding of the activities, ministries, and programs and services of the parish. Parish trustees who serve in a different capacity may serve on the Finance Council if he or she meets the qualifications. The parish trustee is not part of the Finance Council solely by virtue of being a trustee. The council shall not include parish staff members. Relatives of the pastor are likewise excluded from membership. Those in paid positions at the discretion of the pastor or administrator may serve as consultants to the council. For example, parish business managers, bookkeepers, principals, etc. The names, home addresses, and year of appointment must be reported annually with the financial report. Terms are for 3 years and are renewable. As a member of the Parish Finance Council, you will be called upon to provide your insight and your expertise in matters of significant concerns. This is both a great honor and a great responsibility. Confidentiality, sincerity, and sense of commitment are required of each Finance Council member. The functions of the Finance Council. The council must meet at least quarterly or more often as the case demands to review the financial condition of the parish. The council should review the available cash on hand, outstanding liabilities, actual budget and revenues and expenditures. Any future events or transactions affecting the parish finances is also reviewed by the council. Timely and accurate financial information must be prepared by the parish accountant to the council for their regular meetings. The parish accountant need not attend every meeting. The council is of assistance to the pastor in the following areas: budget preparation, quarterly review of financial reports and their adherence to budget, coordination of all parish fundraising, major commitments of the parish resources in excess of $30,000, and they also need the approval of the bishop and the Diocesan Building Commission. Implementation of all diocesan fiscal policies, implementation of the recommendations from any diocesan financial review or audits, maintain and monitor the internal control policies, annually assess the condition of the parish plant, long-term planning, review with the parish accountant the annual financial report, prepare along with the pastor an annual report to the parishioners on the financial status of the parish. In conclusion, the U.S. Bishop's letter challenges the church, pastors, and staff to be open, consultative, and transparent in the conduct of their affairs by providing the parish with a sound financial foundation. Active and effective finance councils help parish leadership pursue the pastoral goals that enhance the development of the new evangelization.